2025 IPSC Handgun World Shoot in Stilfontein, South Africa, and the nations have gathered in full regalia for a thrilling shootout. And of course, international events like this bring along great local business opportunities as well. This is the A3 DTF printing machine and powdering baking oven set with an Epson XP 600 printhead, capable of world-class print quality. And this is the huge range of heat presses that are available from AM.CO.za as well, including both manual and automatic options. Exactly what this AM.CO.za client needed when confined to a small working area to offer personalised print services to contenders and the visiting public. In this highly competitive world, it is really hard to come out trumped. But hey, someone always does.
Thank you very much.
And you can too, with your own tailor-made combination from all that AM.CO.za has to offer. Just call sales for more information.